and then if I again rotate it, like let's say if I again rotate it at this way, so I will have again another factor, that is r. So now you can see that depending on the way of transformation, you can have different transformation matrix. That means what you are performing, based on that you have to calculate the matrix. You have to take the matrix and you have to calculate the matrix. So that will vary according to the operation what you are performing, right? So just like in last example, what you did first translation, then you have performed the scaling, then you have performed the rotation, like this. So that is whatever you are doing according to the way of translation, or according to the way of transformation, you have to calculate the transformation matrix. Is it clear?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
ম্যাম রিপিট अगेन, আমি শুনতে পারি না, নেট প্রবলেম ছিল।
I say that whatever the operation we are performing, so depending on that, depending on the way of operation, so we need to take the different metrics. Okay, so different metrics will be taken according to the way of operation. What are the operation you are performing, based on that? That's what I say. So in this case, you can see that we have first we have rotated, then we have performed the scaling, then we have again rotated. That means we will have two rotation factor, but one is positive, another is negative, and then one is the scaling factor. So now you can see, so rotation negative, and then scaling factor, then rotation positive, because you have to perform the negative rotation at the same time positive rotation, that is clockwise and anti-clockwise. Then you have to find the result. So you will take this rotation factor negative, and then scaling factor, and then again the rotation factor, and then you will find the final result for the rotation and scaling and then rotation. Is it okay? See, and in this problem, we did not talk about the pivot point, right? Because the object was in the origin, so we don't need to consider the pivot point. Okay?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So now you just calculate this or find this matrix multiplication. Do it.
Ma'am, done.
What is your answer?
Minus 12, minus 24, and 1.
Minus done. Done.
Minus 12,
Minus 24.
minus 24 and 1.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, alright, let them do. Okay? Then
Ma'am, done.
what is your answer?
Ma'am, minus 12, minus 24, and 1.
Okay. Did you take the initial value? 6 and 8. Did you calculate with 6 and 8?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. 6, 8, 1.
Yes, 6, 8, 1. Asif and who was that? Said minus 12, minus 24, 1.
Ma'am,
Can you share your screen?
ma'am, video.
What?
Can you see me? Ma'am,
Yes.
can you see me?
Yeah, I can see you, but do the screen sharing.
Ma'am, screen share finger. Kapat mo na daw.
You have to take the picture, then you have to do the screen sharing, okay? What about rest of your Rakib? Is it done?
Ma'am,
No, ma'am.
Are you doing?
Yes, ma'am. I need some time.
Okay, all right. Complete first.
ম্যাম আমি করছি বাট অ্যান্সার ওদের সাথে তো আমার মিলে নাই ম্যাম
What is your answer?
ম্যাম 18, 16 আর 1 আসছে আমার
Ma'am, can I share the screen?
Yes, do share.
Okay, ma'am.
ম্যাম আমার আনসারটা আলাদা ছিল 18, 16, 1 ম্যাম সেম 18, 16, 1
Same.
ম্যাম আমার 1861 আসছে ম্যাম, কিন্তু ওদের সাথে তো মিলে নাই।
Okay, all right. So, Asif, share your screen.
Okay, ma'am. Can you see, ma'am?
Yeah, I can see, but it's not that clear. So cos 90 degree is 0, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And here that means 2 into cos 90 degree, that should be 0, and then 3 into sin square 93 degrees. So here you are supposed to get 3, right, Asif?
Oh, yes, ma'am. It will be -3. I wrote -2. That's what the problem.
Yes. Okay, correct it. Okay, correct
Okay,
it.
Ma'am, where I can understand.
What?
Where is the correction, ma'am?
তাহলে মানে 40 অ্যান্সার কোনটা হবে?
Wait, let me cross check it. Okay, so I'm just doing it.
ওকে।
It should be yes. 1861.
ওকে ম্যাম, থ্যাংক ইউ।
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Now you can see. What about rest of you? Are you done?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am. Done.
yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Done, ma'am.
Ma'am, done. Yes, ma'am.
Iman, can you share your screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Let me see.
Ma'am, can you see it?
No, it's not. I cannot understand anything. What is your answer?
Ma'am, 18, 16, 1.
Okay, all right. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, see the last problem. Okay, so can you see my screen?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Now,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. We can see.
see, the problem is that you have to perform the transformation now this time without using homogeneous matrix or without using homogeneous coordinate, but you have to use the pivot point. What I mean that is what type of problem you have solved so far. That is the first type of problem, that is the 2D problem, okay, and then the second type of problem, that is the 3D and with pivot point, right? And the last problem you have done, that is the 3D and without pivot point, right? And now you will see the 2D and with pivot point. You can write it also, that give heading that 2D and with pivot point. So you have to perform the 90-degree rotation of this point. That means this is the initial value, that is xy, and then about a pivot point that is given 2, and then you have to find the p bar. So in this case, since you have to perform the 2D transformation, so first you have to subtract this pivot point. Okay, so from the initial position you have to subtract this pivot point. So if you do the subtraction, you will get this point, and then you have to perform the rotation. So in the formula, what we know, that is cos 90 degree minus sin 90 degree, then sin 90 degree cos 90 degree. So after that you have to calculate the value for this 90 degree, and after that again you need to take back to the previous pivot point. So again you have to add these two pivot points. So along with the value whatever you have got, that is 1 3, so you have to add these two pivot point. So 2 plus 1 3 and 3 plus 2 5, then you will get the result.
Ma'am, I have a question.
Yes.
Ma'am, translate the pivot point 2x is equal to minus 2 and 2y is equal to minus 2. Ma'am, is it we translate, that's why the sign is converted negative, positive to negative?
See, here, like, let me show you. The thing is that you will subtract these pivot points. That is why it is shown as negative. Because you will subtract this pivot point from the initial point, that is 5 1. Okay?
Okay.
So you have to subtract this in terms of 2D coordinate. In case of 3D, see, in case of 3D, what you did, that you have to, you had brought the, if this was the object, and then you had brought this pivot point to the origin, right? Then
Yes,
you
ma'am.
have performed the transformation. So that was for 3D or homogeneous coordinate. But if you have to consider this pivot point and you have to work with the 2D transformation, then how you will calculate? So that time you have to subtract this pivot point from this initial value. Okay, then whatever the value you will get, so that value you have to consider with the rotation. You just do this math, just solve this, then you will have a bit better idea.
Ma'am, I can't see your screen.
Rest of you, can you see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then I think the problem is yours. You have to find out.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Hmm?
Ma'am, in in the question, the pivot point is 2, 2. If they are 2 minus 2, then what will be the translate pivot point?
Wait. Can you please repeat? I could not understand.
Ma'am, in question, the pivot point is 2, 2. That means both are positive. If there
Yes.
is plus 2 and minus 2, then what will be the translate pivot point?
Then see, you don't need to worry about plus 2 and minus 2. Let's say if it is minus 2, then what you will happen? The initial value is given 5 and 1, and the pivot point is given, as you said, 2 and minus 2. So that means the new, again you will get P bar will be what? 5 minus 2, that means 3, and then 1 minus 2, that means minus minus plus, so 2 plus 1, 3. So you will have 3 and 3. Like you have here 3 and minus 1, right? So if it is 2 minus 2, then you will have 5 minus 2, 3, and then 1 minus 2, that means 1 plus 2, that means 3.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, so anyone have any question for this math?
Yes, miss.
Yes.
Miss, can you repeat step 3?
Which step?
3, step 3.
First step is that you have to subtract this pivot point from the initial value. Okay. After that, what it says, you have to perform the rotation. That means the rotation, what we know, the formula for rotation. So I have just written the formula of the rotation. Okay. So after that, along with this rotation, we have to consider the initial value. So what is our initial value?
5 and 1.
See here, we have, see, this is the rotation, right? Rotation matrix. So, and what we will get, that is, we will get this value, right? 1 and 3. You just do this math, then only you will understand, because there is some gap in writing in this slide. So you just write cos 90 degree, then minus sine 90 degree, then sine 90 degree, then cos 90 degree, right? So what you will get, that is cos 90 degree means what? 0, right? Sine 90 degree is positive 1, so we will get minus 1. So again 1, then what? 0. So 0 minus 1 and then 1, 0. From this cos 90 degree minus sine 90 degree, sine 90 degree, cos 90 degree, from here, what you will get? 0 minus 1 and then 1, 0, is not it?
Yes, ma'am.
Then what we had, that is 3 minus 1. Then we will have 0 into 0, then what? Plus 1, then 3, then 0. So we will have 1 and 3. So you will get here for cos 90 degrees sine. Okay, let me take a picture and I will share with you. later I do. Or if I say, first try to understand. If you don't understand, then I will find some alternative. See, here the problem is in writing. See what cos 90 degree, okay? And then minus sin 90 degree. Sin 90 degree, then here sin 90 degree cos 90 degree. So now you just put the value, and then we have to consider the initial value. In case of two dimension, that is x and y. So what we can get, that is for cos 90 degree we know, so it will be 0, then sin 90 degree is 1, so we will get -1, then sin 90 degree again we will get 1, so cos 90 degree we will get 0, right? And for x1 you will get, what you will get, that is 3 and -1. So how 3 and -1 came? Because you see the pivot point. So initial value was given 5 and 1, and pivot point is given 2 and 2, right? So you just write that P is given, that is 5, 1. Turn off your microphone. Anyone has turned on the microphone? So what was our pivot point? 2, 2. Pivot point is given 2, 2. So how we can get the p bar? So p bar can be, so tx minus t2, that means 5 minus 2 you will have 3, and then 1 minus 2 you will have -1. Okay, so that is how we get 3 and -1. So now you need to apply 3 and -1. Then do the matrix multiplication. So what you will have, that is 0 plus 1, and then here 3 plus 3 plus 0. Okay, then you will have 1 and 3. So now see, since you have performed the subtraction of the pivot point, so again you have to take back to the pivot point. That means you have to add this pivot point along with this. So what we have, see 1 and 3, then again translate back to the pivot point. That is, you have to add the value for tx and ty. Then you will get the new coordinates. So if we translate, one, 3 to the pivot point. That means if first you have done the subtraction, so you have to add now. So 1 plus the pivot is 2, so 1 plus 2 will be 3, and then 3 plus 2 will be 5. So our final result will be 3 and 5. So you can see here, so the answer will be 3 and 5.
What about the first part? Tx and ty equal to -2y. How come? Now first part.
Yes, first part, but what happened?
Here tx equal to -2 and ty equal to -2. How come?
Yes, that is what we did. Like from P is 5, 1 and pivot is 2, 2. That means what? We are doing the subtraction. That is 5 minus 2, right? That is how you get 3. And again 1 minus 2. That is how you get -1. That is why it is written minus tx minus ty from the initial value p1. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, miss, understand.
Who was
Yes, ma'am.
asking for this value?
Ma'am, last part. Translation.
Yes, obviously I am talking about the first part.
Ma'am, pivot point t is equal to minus 2 and ty equal to minus 2. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, so you have to subtract this value from 5 1 you have to subtract this 2 and 2. That is why it is written tx equal to minus 2 ty equal to minus 2 from with respect to the point p. That means 5 minus 2 since it is given 2 2. So 5 minus 2 you will get 3 and then 1 minus 2 you will get minus 1. That is how. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes.
the pivot point would be
What?
the pivot point.
Your voice is not clear. It's better you can type. Okay. Who was that asking question?
Me.
Yes.
Ma'am, this pivot point will be given in the question?
Yes, obviously it will be given in the question. If it is given, then you have to use the formula with pivot point, and if the pivot point is not given, you can directly go for two-dimensional
Two-dimensional. Okay, ma'am.
transformation. Yes.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Okay. So anyone have any question here?
No, miss.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you
Yes.
give us more problems like this?
What?
Can you give us more problems like this? It will be easier for practice.
Mathematical problem is obviously I will give.
Okay, ma'am.
So whatever the problem you have seen, do one thing, make a separate note for each of the problem. Like for 2D transformation, what is the formula? For pivot point and 3D transformation, what is the formula? For pivot point 2D transformation, what is the formula? So if you write it separately, it will be better for you to understand. Okay. Okay, see, give attendance 1.